A TBI, or traumatic brain injury, is an insult or injury that results to the head as a result of a force. Depending on how significant that force is, the injury can result in a very mild problem or a mild traumatic brain injury, also called an mTBI, or it can result in a more significant or worse injury that can be labeled as either moderate or severe. The middle one, which results in what's called the moderate traumatic brain injury, is one that you're going to have some difficulties for a period of time afterwards. That one is one where you can't just quickly shake it off, or a couple hours later you're feeling like yourself. With a moderate injury, you're going to have some what are called deficits or difficulties for at least a day, several days, or even longer. The most significant injury, the one that has the most force, the one that's going to cause the most difficulty, is called a severe traumatic brain injury. And that's one where initially you are in what's called a coma, or a disorder of consciousness. You have no awareness of what's going on around you. That period of coma will last at least 24 hours with a severe injury, and will leave you, as you come out of that coma, with initially significant or major difficulties in thinking and speaking and moving. And then over time, we can see recovery.